Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
Customer states engines keep overheating when driving at full power. I think rust is not a good coolant.
Customer states they didn't need tires. I think everyone watching this would disagree.
The dealer makes us feel stupid when we send them the fucking price for no ox. They're like, oh, you know, control.
All right. Oh, that's nice. Oh, you haven't seen the worst of it yet. Oh yeah, cut right into the boot. Dude, well, that's an air-cooled ball joint right there. It'll never go bad. You know, the more you look, the worse it gets. New England special. Oh, how does that even get like that? Damn. Oh. Other side's not that bad yet. This one's not air-cooled.
Customer states I did my own timing belt, but it got worse.
So, doing heads on this Commodore, yeah, she's going well. Just having a look at these pistons, like, they're not bad. Oh my goodness. That's not ideal.
This customer was complaining about having a mouse issue and that their aircon doesn't blow hot air.
Some are complaining fuel leak. Huh.
You ready?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Let's see that screwdriver.
Customer states there's a squealing noise when the car's in reverse.
Old Ford, old tank, nasty tank, old pump, new pump, new tank.
It looks like it's like leaking. Yeah.
This rusted manifold took 6 hours to come off as it was on a plow truck that follows a salt truck when it snows.
So, start, yeah, I got that one, and that one, that one, that one, that one, this one here, that one there, and then the rest of these are actually good to go.
This customer broke their transmission's shift lever after prying on it too much. As you can see, it could completely spin around and was no longer selecting gears. Turns out the internal shaft had snapped in half inside the transmission. Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.